Good evening, traders. I hope you're all doing well. First of all, sorry about the background noise. I'm not at home. I'm somewhere else. If you hear any background noise, so please excuse that. We have been taking some nice trade throughout last week. Actually, I would say throughout last 1 or 2 months, we've been taking natural gas, gold, oil, and all the other commodities trade. Even the currency trade we have been taking throughout the last week, and it has been like I would say like a 90% successful. It's very important for you guys to understand how we take trade. Whenever I upload analysis, I always say that make sure you enter when we have an entry condition and only enter when you have an entry condition. So most of you guys, I know, they send me a good feedback. They send me feedback that yes, we have took that trade, and we got some nice profit. It might be confusing for some of the new traders to understand how I'm talking about the engulfing entry, or maybe double top or double bottom entries. Just want to give you a bit of overview of the last upload analysis, gold analysis, and natural gas analysis last week, which ended up giving us nice profit. So just want to show you how we entered the market, and when I said make sure you entered when we have that entry, so that it will help you to understand when I upload analysis next time. It will help you to understand how exactly enter those trades. There are lots of more confluences into that. Look for the wicks and all the entry and the candlestick patterns. But I just want to give you a rough idea, because I got some messages from traders that that I need to be more specific to explain how to enter the market, how the condition met. It is very important for you guys to understand how I take the trades, how we take the analysis. Because if you follow me on this channel, and if you are taking a trade according to my analysis, so you at least you need to understand the whole process of entering the trade, so that it will increase the chances of winning. Let's go back and check what I've said in my last gold video now, and I'll be looking for short trades. Once not here, this candlestick might close here, and then we get another big engulfer candle here. If we get that, then we'll be looking to enter for short trades. If the gold make this sort of move after this candle, it makes another candle which is bigger than the previous candle, or it go back up around this level, which is 1795, or wait for another pullback and then another engulfer entry to take short trades from towards. So right, let's go back in the replay mode. As you have seen, the market was here when I've said that wait for the entry condition, wait for the engulfer entry here before you enter. Or I said, and I also said that market can even go back up in this zone, come back, give us a double top sort of entry towards the next level. I have marked in my previous video. So let me show you. I've said that wait for this candle, wait for another candle. If it is in gold for entry, you can take an entry here as well. So let's play it. So here, according to me, that was a valid entry. We have a nice engulfing candle, right? And the stop loss would be above the support, this resistance, somewhere around 1802, 1801. So that would be a valid entry as well. But sometime the market go back up and retest the level and give us like a double top sort of entry. So it can also go back up, and let's see how it reacted. Came back down, go back up. We still didn't stopped out, guys. I told you it was 1801 something. The stop loss was. So here you can see we have another engulfer entry. We have this sort of move here as well in this zone, and I've also told you guys to mark this zone in your on your charts as well. So here we have an entry here, but the best entry would be here. So market came back up, came back here, gave us an engulfer entry. You could have entered here as well. The market came back up all the way down towards over the TP. I have said in my previous video, it hit over TP. So that's sort of the entry condition I was talking about, guys. So you would understand how are we taking entries when I said wait for the entry condition. So that was an example of an engulfer entry. That's not an example of double top sort of entry. So let me give you an example of natural gas quickly as well, so you understand how we take those entries as well. So this was our winning trade here. So this is very important, guys. This candle must close above this previous candle. If this candle go back and closes below here somewhere, then we won't be taking any long entries. But if this candle closes here, I'll give you a rough idea of of your targets. If we get this engulfer entry, then I'll be looking for a long entry, and I'll put a stop loss at 5.266, and I'll put my take profit one at 5.650, and then I set up my take profit two at 5.819. So if we have this condition, you can set up your target accordingly. We had a nice, say, 400 pip trade on this analysis, because the TP2 was here and TP3 was somewhere around here, as you have seen in the video. Go back in the replay mode. Let me show you how we took this trade. So this example is also a sort of engulfing entry as well, and it could be a double bottom entry. If we have this candle go back up here, that would be a double bottom entry, but the market didn't actually go back up and retest this level, this zone here. You can see after that we have to be very patient, guys, to see we are trading on 4 hour and 1 hour chart. We entered here. It took a while for us to get in the profit. You see that market was in a ranging mode for quite a while, I would say, and then it hit our target 1 and 2, and then it hit our target 3 as well. So how we took trades. Whenever I say enter the market when we have a bigger candle than previous candle, so this is an example of the bigger candle. And if we have a double bottom sort of entry, I'll also, I just told you guys how to take that entry as well. Keep that in your notes, guys. You have seen the both example how we took the trades out of those videos. I'll also give you a short when we have an entry condition. I always try to upload a video beforehand when we have an entry condition, so that you guys won't miss an entry, but at least you would know that how we take entries. I am unable to upload a video there and then, so you guys at least know, don't have to rely on me fully. You can at least enter the trade on your own as well. So that's very important, guys. You need to understand the sort of entries. Like I said, they're more confluence into it. We understand the price action more deeply. They are more confluence into the wicks. We need to look for the wicks as well. We need to look for the price action and how it behaves. So that was a quick video how we take entries, so that you guys understand when I upload my next analysis, at least you would know how we take an entries. It's very important to upload this video as well, guys, because if you follow me, you need to know how we take entries as well. So if you have any questions, like always, leave a comment down below. You can always send me a message on Instagram and I'll get back to you ASAP. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.